siang Bapak Ibu, selamat datang di Enterprise Solution Hall. Sebelumnya saya mengucapkan terima kasih banyak kepada Bapak dan Ibu yang telah menyaksikan acara utama kami yang berlangsung di main stage. Di dalam Enterprise Solution Hall ini, Acer memperkenalkan solusi teknologi di bidang enterprise. Di dalam sesi ini, kita bersama-sama akan membahas lebih dalam lagi mengenai Altos Solution in Indonesia. Untuk itu, kami mengundang Bapak Arianto Subogo selaku Product Manager Commercial Products Acer Indonesia untuk membuka terlebih dahulu, dilanjutkan oleh Bapak Jackie Lee yang akan membawakan topik tentang Altos Introduction, serta Bapak Hubert yang akan menjelaskan tentang Altos AI Works Introduction. Kepada Bapak Arianto Subogo, kami persilakan.
Selamat sore Bapak Ibu semua. Selamat bergabung di Enterprise Solution Hall. Perkenalkan, nama saya Arianto Subogo sebagai Product Manager Commercial Product di Acer Indonesia. Altos Computing adalah anak perusahaan dari Acer yang fokus pada enterprise product. Hari ini di Acer Solution Day 2020, saya akan sharing solusi Altos yang sudah diterapkan di Indonesia. Study case pertama yang akan dibahas kali ini adalah case file sharing di sebuah bank nasional yang memiliki lebih dari 700 cabang yang tersebar dari Sabang sampai Merauke. Kebutuhan proyek ini adalah file sharing untuk membagi informasi yang seragam ke seluruh cabang. File yang di-share selain patching untuk software yang akan digunakan, informasi yang berhubungan dengan peraturan perusahaan, informasi internal bank, promo untuk nasabah, dan video yang akan ditampilkan di LFD untuk lokasi yang sudah memasang LFD. Karena institusi ini menggunakan ekosistem Microsoft, maka kebutuhan pertama mengharuskan solusi ini menggunakan Windows 10. Integrasi dengan software yang tepat memungkinkan sistem melakukan penjadwalan update di malam hari. Hal ini digunakan untuk memastikan semua cabang melakukan update berkala tanpa terjadi network congestion di head office. Untuk keamanan data, sistem yang ditawarkan oleh Altos sudah memiliki 2 gigabit networking di motherboard. Hal ini memungkinkan IT untuk memisahkan jaringan lokal dengan jaringan internet tanpa alat tambahan. Sistem ini juga memiliki power supply dengan efisiensi 80+ dengan teknologi dual rail yang sama digunakan di server Altos T-Series untuk digunakan 24x7. Purna jual Acer Indonesia yang luas memberikan kepastian bagi end user untuk memilih sistem dari Altos. Study case kedua yang dibahas kali ini berhubungan dengan AI di pendidikan tinggi. Penelitian menunjukkan kalau kebutuhan akan AI talent semakin meningkat. Riset ini juga menceritakan kalau hari ini kita dalam tahap adaptasi terhadap solusi artificial intelligence dan machine learning. Bercita-cita untuk mempercepat transformasi digital dan menjadi AI talent hub terdepan, institusi perguruan tinggi ini bekerja sama dengan Altos untuk mewujudkan hal tersebut. Pilihan mereka adalah solusi Altos AI Works. Di dalamnya ada perangkat keras Altos AI Computing dan Altos Accelerator Resource Manager. Solusi ini dibagi menjadi 2 bagian, yaitu Big Data Cluster dan AI GPU Node. Bagian pertama yaitu Big Data Cluster terdiri dari 9 server R320, di mana R320 ini adalah entry level server yang mendukung Xeon E prosesor dengan memori 64 GB dan 4 TB hard disk. Pada pengaplikasian Big Data Cluster, biasanya juga terdapat Big Data Storage. Untuk itu, Altos juga memiliki Altos Storage yang terhubung dengan solusi ini bagi segmen corporate. Bagian kedua dari solusi ini adalah AI GPU Node, menggabungkan hardware yang luar biasa dengan AI Accelerator Resource Management. Sistem yang digunakan mendukung 2 prosesor sekelas Xeon Scalable Processor, mendukung memori sampai 3 TB, dan mendukung storage dengan PCIe NVMe dan total 10 PCIe 4.0 di mana 8 slot mendukung double width GPU card. Untuk mesin dengan resources yang sangat besar seperti ini, sangat sayang apabila sistem tidak dimanage dengan efisien. Disinilah Altos AI Resource Management berfungsi untuk memanajemen dan membagi setiap prosesor, memori, storage, dan GPU card secara efisien. Dalam solusi ini, per kelas biasanya memiliki up to 40 siswa. Pengajar bisa membangun sistem pembelajaran yang seragam, siswa bisa melakukan kalkulasi yang lebih efisien dibandingkan dengan sistem pribadi, dan yang paling penting dari solusi ini bisa diakses secara remote, sehingga mendukung usaha masyarakat untuk melawan COVID-19. Pada Acer Solution Day 2020 ini, Acer juga memperkenalkan solusi teknologi Altos yang membantu perusahaan melakukan modernisasi untuk memperkuat performa, efisiensi, dan kemampuan dalam mengelola data di cloud dan perusahaan. Pada Acer Solution Day 2020 ini, Acer juga memperkenalkan solusi teknologi Altos yang membantu perusahaan melakukan modernisasi untuk meningkatkan performa, efisiensi, dan kemampuan dalam mengelola data center perusahaan Anda yang lebih modern. Untuk mendapatkan informasi lebih lanjut tentang Altos, saya akan mempersilakan Bapak Jacky Lee selaku Presiden Altos Computing dan Bapak Hubert selaku Senior Manager Altos Computing yang saat ini berada di Taiwan untuk menyampaikan paparan materinya. Kepada Bapak Jacky dan Bapak Hubert, saya persilahkan.
Hello everyone, my name is Jacky Lee. I'm the President of Altos Computing Inc. Altos is a subsidiary of Acer. It's my pleasure to be invited by Acer Indonesia to participate the Acer Solution Day today. To start with, I would like to share with you a supercomputer project we developed and implement for important customers in Taiwan. Let's see the video.
The National Center for High-Performance Computing was founded in 1991 and is Taiwan's only national-level supercomputing center. Its computing and networking facilities are used by both private and public entities. The NCHC also plays a leading role in Taiwan's cloud technology services by integrating high-performance computing, storage, and networking to provide cloud services in storage, big data analysis, and scientific and engineering simulation. NCHC also aids film creation in academic and movie fields by supporting the demand for resolutions in 4K, 8K, or higher through VR and special effects creation. Because of the importance of the rendering to architecture and system performance, everything must be state-of-the-art. Acer made the NCHC CPU and GPU rendering farm possible by using cutting-edge servers, non-blocking network, and high-speed storage. 40 nodes of Acer R380F4 with Intel Skylake CPU provide CPU rendering. 3 nodes of Acer R680F4 with 24 NVIDIA P40s provide GPU acceleration. Users can remotely log in through Acer R480F4 servers and perform their rendering tasks.
Altos was a Unix system company based in the United States back to 1977. Acer acquired this company in 1990s. In the early 2000s, the world server had moved to the Intel-based x86 servers. So at that moment, Altos became a brand of Acer server product line. Till 2017, Acer Group has launched multiple business engines programs, and then server product line was spun off from Acer and become an independent company. So that's how the Altos Computing company comes. So for business, we are mainly focused in HPC and cloud computing. So here you can see we have multiple famous customers in Asia Pacific that purchase our HPC and supercomputing projects. For Atos, we not only focus on server, workstation, storage, things like UPS products, but we also develop solutions to enrich our product portfolios. And our solution focus including the AI, artificial intelligence computing, which our solution name is called Atos AIWorks. And next is the cloud computing infrastructure solutions. So from the client virtualizations, we have the Atos Cloud VDI and IDV. And for the backend data centers, we have Atos Cloud HCI solutions. So Atos AIWorks is an AI computing system. It combined with the software we call the Atos Accelerator Resource Manager, and also the hardware, which we have the Atos BrainSphere servers or Atos BrainSphere workstation. So include the software and hardware together, we develop the AI computing systems to support the customer for their AI research, AI development, and also the AI deployment. So for the AI computing and big data analytics, Atos can offer from the storage to the data labeling and also the AI programming and AI development end-to-end solutions to the customers. Our next important solution is called Atos Cloud VDI. It's a virtualized desktop infrastructure solutions. So we all know that the VDI has many benefits compared with the traditional PC deployment, which are the desktop is now become a service like the cloud services. And compared with PC, the VDI infrastructure can help the IT people to easily deploy and maintain the infrastructures. And the third benefit is the IT administrator can now centrally manage all the deployed client computing devices. And compared with the general purpose desktop notebook PC deployment models, VDI infrastructure provide a higher security protections for the whole infrastructures. Our VDI can now support the new norm of education from in-schools learnings. So our VDI solution can deploy in the schools, computer classrooms, or the libraries that can let the students or teachers use the IT devices easily. But when the students go home and they want to continue their study from home, through the Chrome browsers, no matter it's on their Chromebook or on their desktop or notebook, they can access from home to the VDI infrastructure at school just through the Chrome browsers. So for students or teachers, they can easily access the computing resources through our VDI solution, no matter in school or they go home. The third important solution we developed is called the Atos Cloud HCI. HCI means the hyper-converged infrastructure, which is a very popular cloud data centers implementation models. So we also offer multiple HCI solutions to the customer for different needs or different deployments models. Here we show the three important HCI solutions that Atos developed with our important software partner, including Sunlight IO, including the VMware, and also the Microsoft, to offer different kind of hyper-converged HCI package to meet different needs. We have multiple server hardware and workstation hardware. Specifically for HCI, we recommended to use our Atos Brain Sphere based on Intel platform, which they are optimized and fully validated with all of our HCI solutions. We have multiple server hardware and workstation hardware. Specifically for HCI, we recommended to use our Atos Brain Sphere based on Intel platform, which they are optimized and fully validated with all of our HCI solutions. Here you can see we have multiple server products, including the tower servers we have from the single socket T110F5 to dual socket Intel base T350F4. These are our tower form factor servers. In the right hand side, we have so many different kinds of form factors based on the rack deployments designs. And specifically, we design many servers that can install multiple GPU to support the AI computing needs. For Atos, we also develop a very complete workstation products in our overall portfolios. So across our workstation products, we have two major key benefits. First one, all of our workstation, no matter is the entry one to the higher one, will use the server-grade power supply to provide higher system availability and reliabilities. And the second one, we will support our system management software across our workstation product, which means that the IT people, when they deploy our workstation in multiple locations, now they have a very complete and also powerful management tool that can allow them to centrally manage multiple workstations deployed across different regions. That's overall of my today's introduction of Atos. So Atos is a company positioned and targeting at the AI computing and also HPC computing and cloud computing solution provider. And we provide not only the hardware but also the software together to fulfill all kinds of our customer needs for the artificial intelligence computing and also for the cloud computing solution. So I'll be very, very happy to have the chance to meet you face to face next time, and then we can have more discussions. I'm looking forward to have that chance. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Hubert Liu. I'm in charge of the solution development in Atos. We all know that AI is not only the trend, but it is developing very fast in many aspects right now, such as transportation, medical care, e-commerce, and education, and etc. Today, I'm very happy to have this opportunity to introduce to you our artificial intelligence computing solution, Atos AI Works, which is designed to help our customer transition to the AI era. Before I start to introduce Atos AI Works, I want to share with you how an AI application was created. In general, the development AI application is divided into 3 stages. I'll start with the data collection and the preparation, model training, and then finally the deployment and the prediction. One of the factors of AI booming during recent years is using GPU to accelerate the training process. Deep learning simulates the human brain nervous system. The biggest feature of the model is that it requires big data for training. GPU provides a structure of multi-core parallel computing, and the number of cores is very large, which can support parallel computing of large amount of data, so that speed up dramatically the AI training. Let's use a simple example to understand the difference in training speed between using CPU and the GPU. The left side of the screen uses CPU for model training. On the other hand, the right side of the screen uses GPU to accelerate the training. As you can see, the speed of the GPU accelerator is much faster than using CPU only. However, this does not mean that AI model training don't need CPU. In fact, the CPU may control of the data flow and other systems between the system and GPU during the entire training process. Now we have a preliminary understanding of AI development. Let's take a look at some challenges during the development process. GPU accelerators are expensive. So in the development stage, how to allocate and share GPU and other computing resources to maximize the use of funds will be the first challenge. Second, AI software framework and library are diverse. Different applications may require different environments, which make AI development and learning environment deployment very time-consuming and error-prone. Third, remote work and distance learning will become the new normal. How to provide users with continuous development and learning space is also very important. In response to challenges, Atos AIworks provide an integrated solution to help users to solve these problems. Atos AIworks consists of two parts. The first part is the software platform Atos Accelerator Resource Manager, or ARM in short. ARM abstracts the underneath complexity and simplify AI development through accessibility features, such as automatic resource allocation, remote access, and the flexible AI software deployment. With ARM, users can focus on development and learning without having to consider the complexity of resource management and deployment. The second part is the AI computing system. Atos AIworks offers Atos BrainSphere series systems, including workstations and servers, to meet the need of different scale of computing, from small to large scales. This is one of the main usage scenarios of Atos AIworks, showing how Atos AIworks can help users to make their work more easier. For the developer, as you can see, that there is an AI system resource pool managed by Atos AIworks, including workstation and servers with different types and the numbers of GPU. When a developer requests for GPU along with a specific software environment, ARM will find and allocate the resources and then deploy the software stack in an automatic way. When we have a second developer who met the different demands, ARM will do the same way to discover and deploy resources for the second developer. Let's take a look at the user interface. User console is a web-based console that can access remotely. After login, user can have one or multiple workspaces. A workspace is the prepared software stack and the GPU for AI development. A user can create and switch to different workspaces easily as needed. ARM provides a built-in workspace. The default workspace already includes the mainstream AI software and framework, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and etc. This can be a good start for users who don't know much about the software is needed in the beginning. In addition to the workspace, ARM provides job scheduler function. User can submit their job to the job scheduler, then AI will schedule and execute the job automatically. This can be very useful if there are not many GPU available. For example, user can develop and validate his work with the CPU first, then accelerate the task with GPU afterward. This is the administrator interface. Administrator can use this console to manage resources and set up policies, such as CPU, system memory, GPU allocation and sharing strategies, storage usage policy, AI software management, user group management, and etc. Just like a user console. The admin console is web-based and easy to use. so the administrator can manage Atos Works or cluster anytime, anywhere. When I introduce ARM to clients, some of them may ask me if they can build a platform similar to ARM by themselves. My answer to them is yes or no. Answer yes is because there are very rich information on the internet to tell you how to set up and manage AI development platform. However, it may take a lot of trial and error time. However, on the other hand, ARM is well-integrated software platform and provide unique and required functions, such as policy-based computing resource pool management, GPU share auto setting, GPU awareness allocation, built-in remote access capability, user group, and role-based management, and more. Another important thing is that we provide technical support service so that customers can focus on development and learning. Atos AI Works can bring many benefits to users on AI development and learning. The main advantage of Atos AI Works are flexible resource allocation, rapid deployment, remote access, and easy to scale. Also, Atos AI Works provide a one-stop software and hardware integrated solution, including Atos Accelerator Resource Manager, ARM, and Atos BrainSphere AI system to address the challenge of the computing and management for AI tasks, which can help our customer transition to the AI era more efficiently. This is my introduction of Atos AI Works today. I hope you can get a lot from today's session. Wish you all the best and see you soon.
Terima kasih banyak Bapak Arianto, Bapak Jackie Lee, dan juga Bapak Hubert yang sudah memberikan rangkaian presentasinya dan penjelasannya. Baik, ini dia yang ditunggu-tunggu Bapak Ibu sekalian, trivia quiz di hall ini. Bagaimana caranya untuk mendapatkan hadiah 3 unit laptop Acer Travelmate? Caranya sangat menarik, yaitu dengan cukup menjawab pilihan A, B, C, dan D dari pertanyaan yang akan muncul di device Anda masing-masing. Jadi Bapak dan Ibu sekalian, nanti Anda tinggal cukup menjawabnya di chat box. Sudah siap Bapak Ibu sekalian? Dalam hitungan 1, 2, 3, selamat menjawab. Waktunya habis Bapak Ibu sekalian, trivia quiz untuk di hall ini. Terima kasih untuk jawabannya Bapak dan Ibu sekalian, ramai sekali di chat box. Dan perlu kami informasikan bahwa untuk pengumuman pemenang, Anda bisa mengunjungi website yang sedang Anda akses sekarang ini di hari lusa atau 2 hari sejak hari ini Bapak Ibu sekalian. Semoga nama Anda menjadi salah satunya ya. Dan juga pastinya para pemenang yang tertera namanya nanti akan dihubungi panitia untuk informasi dan pembagian hadiah lebih lanjut. Baiklah kalau begitu Bapak dan Ibu sekalian, sampailah kita di penghujung sesi Education Solution. Sekali lagi kami ucapkan terima kasih kepada Bapak dan Ibu yang telah berpartisipasi pada hari ini. Sampai jumpa di Acer Solution Day tahun depan.